Are you facing computer troubles in Captiva? Whether it's a slow system, virus issues, or broken hardware, we've got you covered. Curious about repair costs? We offer transparent pricing with no hidden fees. Call us today for a free estimate on your computer repair needs. Our expert technicians come directly to your home or office in Captiva. No need to unplug your setup. We bring the repair service to you. We handle a range of problems: slow performance, virus and malware removal, hardware repairs, data recovery, and network troubleshooting. Get the best value for your repairs. Call 239-382-7247 for a free quote on fixing your computer in Captiva. Our experienced technicians provide fast, reliable, and friendly service. Enjoy affordable rates with no hidden costs and the convenience of on-site repairs. We know you rely on your computer. That's why we offer fast, same-day repair services to get you back up and running quickly. Don't wait. Call 239-382-7247 now to schedule your repair. Visit fixmycomputercaptiva.com for more info and to book your appointment today.